About a month and a half back, when all the industry captains met me, I kept on asking, what is the specific thing that you would like me to focus on? What is that laser sharp focus that you would like me to put on? And I got 4 points on my table as a result of that interaction. First was large footprint factories which can hire something like 40,000 to a lakh workers. So I would like to report back today to the industry colleagues, what is the work done on that action item which you guys gave me. Two things. First, this requires a lot of change in the labor regulations. So first item that we did was to meet the Labour Minister, understand what are the limitations that he would be having if this kind of scale has to be done. And very gladly I'm reporting back to all of you is that Labour Minister is very positive on this. He feels that this is a highly doable thing. This is not something which requires any major change in the legal framework or in the rules framework. It is very much possible just with administrative actions. And the commitment is that if this requires any change in the rules and regulations or even in the law, then also the commitment is there from the Labour Ministry for all of us, for the electronics industry, for the goal of creating the footprint which is needed for becoming competitive.